A magnitude 6.6 earthquake struck southwestern Japan on Monday, prompting a brief tsunami advisory for Miyazaki and Kochi prefectures, which was lifted before midnight. Minor damage included a small landslide, ruptured water pipes, and one man that was injured in Kyushu. Tsunami was recorded at the Miyazaki Port. Experts noted possible aftershocks. No power outages or nuclear power plant issues were reported, the Associated Press has reported. Japan, located on the Pacific Ring of Fire, frequently experiences earthquakes.